Over 30 different pubs dotted around for you to explore and enjoy. But also you've got Greenwich Park located here, one of the Queen's Parks I should mention. And at the top of the hill, in the park, you have the Royal Observatory, where all time begins. Has anyone ever heard of GMT? Greenwich Mean Time? Well, ladies and gents, this is the Greenwich that they're always going on about. During the night, there is a green laser that shoots across the sky from the observatory, separating the eastern and western hemispheres. All time zones around the world revert back to that one. But during the day, there is also a brass line outside the observatory on the floor that also does the same job. But it is quite a steep walk to get to the top of the hill. In my opinion, it will take you about half an hour from actually stepping off of the boat to making it all the way to the top of the hill. But we can now see the Cutty Sark, famous for being the fastest ship of her time. As I'm sure you're all aware, we are quite fond of our tea here in the UK, and there was always a lot of competition to be the first boat back with your goods, so you would get the best trading prices. And the Cutty Sark is famous for being the fastest, folks.